काय चाललंय?
What's going on? What's going on?
काय म्हणतोस?
What's up? What's up?
आजचा दिवस कसा गेला?
How was your day? How was your day?
कुठे चाललास?
Where are you headed? Where are you headed?
काय करत होतास?
What were you doing? What were you doing?
मी तुझीच वाट पाहत होतो.
I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you.
इतका उशीर का झाला?
Why are you so late? Why are you so late?
काही विशेष नाही.
Nothing special. Nothing special.
मला तसं वाटत नाही.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
मलाही तसंच वाटतं.
I think so too. I think so too.
तू मजाक करत आहेस का?
Are you kidding? Are you kidding?
खरंच का?
Are you serious? Are you serious?
माझ्यावर विश्वास ठेव.
Trust me. Trust me.
माझं ऐक.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
मला एक कल्पना सुचली.
I have an idea. I have an idea.
काहीतरी गडबड आहे.
Something is wrong. Something is wrong.
मला आता निघायला हवं.
I should leave now. I should leave now.
तू बरोबर म्हणतोस.
You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right.
ती माझी चूक होती.
It was my mistake. It was my mistake.
मला माफ कर.
Forgive me. Forgive me.
मला त्याची सवय आहे.
I am used to it. I am used to it.
अजिबात नाही.
Not at all. Not at all.
काहीही झालं तरी
No matter what. No matter what.
मला खात्री नाही.
I am not sure. I am not sure.
जसं तुला वाटतं.
As you wish. As you wish.
वेळ वाया घालवू नकोस.
Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time.
मला थोडा वेळ दे.
Give me some time. Give me some time.
मी लगेच येतो.
I will be right back. I will be right back.
तू आधी जा.
You go first. You go first.
मी नंतर येतो.
I will come later. I will come later.
तुला काय वाटतं?
What do you think? What do you think?
ती छान कल्पना आहे.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
काहीही काळजी करू नकोस.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
शांत हो.
Calm down. Calm down.
मला विश्वास बसत नाही.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
हे खूप सोपं आहे.
It's very easy. It's very easy.
हे इतकं कठीण नाही.
It's not that difficult. It's not that difficult.
मी नशीबवान आहे.
I am lucky. I am lucky.
आज माझा मूड नाहीये.
I am not in the mood today. I am not in the mood today.
माझी गंमत करू नकोस.
Don't make fun of me. Don't make fun of me.
हे माझ्यावर सोड.
Leave it to me. Leave it to me.
मी प्रयत्न करून बघतो.
I'll give it a try. I'll give it a try.
तू खूप बदलला आहेस.
You have changed a lot. You have changed a lot.
तसं अजिबात नाही.
Not at all. Not at all.
आता खूप उशीर झाला आहे.
It's too late now. It's too late now.
आपण नंतर बोलू.
We will talk later. We will talk later.
तुला भेटून आनंद झाला.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
पुन्हा भेटूया.
See you again. See you again.
मी फक्त मजाक करत होतो.
I was just kidding. I was just kidding.
हे खरंच उपयोगी आहे.
This is really useful. This is really useful.
मी रोज सकाळी लवकर उठतो.
I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning.
तू नेहमी वेळेवर येतोस.
You always come on time. You always come on time.
तो खूप मेहनत करतो.
He works very hard. He works very hard.
ती इंग्रजी शिकत आहे.
She is learning English. She is learning English.
आम्ही दररोज सराव करतो.
We practice every day. We practice every day.
ते आमची वाट पाहत आहेत.
They are waiting for us. They are waiting for us.
मी आता ग्रहपाठ करत आहे.
I am doing my homework now. I am doing my homework now.
तू काय विचार करत आहेस?
What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
तो टी व्ही पाहत आहे.
He is watching TV. He is watching TV.
ती मला मदत करत आहे.
She is helping me. She is helping me.
आम्ही तुझी वाट पाहत आहोत.
We are waiting for you. We are waiting for you.
ते बाहेर खेळत आहेत.
They are playing outside. They are playing outside.
मी काल त्याला भेटलो.
I met him yesterday. I met him yesterday.
तू मला का फोन केला?
Why did you call me? Why did you call me?
त्याने मला सत्य सांगितलं.
He told me the truth. He told me the truth.
तिने पुस्तक पूर्ण वाचलं.
She finished the book. She finished the book.
आम्ही सामना जिंकलो.
We won the match. We won the match.
त्यांनी मला मदत केली.
They helped me. They helped me.
मी आधीच जेवलो आहे.
I have already eaten. I have already eaten.
तू हे काम पूर्ण केलं आहेस का?
Have you finished this work? Have you finished this work?
त्याने मला अनेकदा भेट दिली आहे.
He has visited me many times. He has visited me many times.
तिने अजून उत्तर दिलेलं नाही.
She hasn't replied yet. She hasn't replied yet.
आम्ही हा चित्रपट पाहिला आहे.
We have watched this movie. We have watched this movie.
त्यांनी घर स्वच्छ केलं आहे.
They have cleaned the house. They have cleaned the house.
मी उद्या तुला भेटेन.
I will meet you tomorrow. I will meet you tomorrow.
तू मला नंतर फोन करशील का?
Will you call me later? Will you call me later?
तो उद्या येईल.
He will come tomorrow. He will come tomorrow.
ती आम्हाला मदत करेल.
She will help us. She will help us.
आम्ही लवकर निघू.
We will leave early. We will leave early.
ते उद्या प्रवास करतील.
They will travel tomorrow. They will travel tomorrow.
मी तुला पुन्हा सांगणार नाही.
I won't tell you again. I won't tell you again.
तू हे करू शकशील.
You will be able to do this. You will be able to do this.
तो लवकरच परत येईल.
He will be back soon. He will be back soon.
ती उद्या परीक्षा देणार आहे.
She is going to take the exam tomorrow. She is going to take the exam tomorrow.
आम्ही पुढच्या आठवड्यात भेटणार आहोत.
We are going to meet next week. We are going to meet next week.
मला वाटतं तू बरोबर आहेस.
I think you are right. I think you are right.
मला वाटत नाही की तो येईल.
I don't think he will come. I don't think he will come.
तिने मला हसवलं.
She made me laugh. She made me laugh.
त्यांनी आम्हाला आमंत्रित केलं.
They invited us. They invited us.
मी तुझ्यावर विश्वास ठेवतो.
I trust you. I trust you.
तू माझ्यावर विश्वास ठेवतोस का?
Do you trust me? Do you trust me?
तो तिच्यावर रागावला आहे.
He is angry with her. He is angry with her.
ती माझी वाट पाहत होती.
She was waiting for me. She was waiting for me.
आम्ही त्यावेळी अभ्यास करत होतो.
We were studying at that time. We were studying at that time.
ते पाऊस पडत असताना खेळत होते.
They were playing while it was raining. They were playing while it was raining.
मी तुला आधीच सांगितलं होतं.
I had already told you. I had already told you.
तो येण्यापूर्वीच आम्ही निघालो होतो.
We had left before he arrived. We had left before he arrived.
तिने मला सगळं समजावून सांगितलं.
She explained everything to me. She explained everything to me.
त्यांनी मला कधीच खोटं सांगितलं नाही.
They never lied to me. They never lied to me.
मला तुझा अभिमान आहे.
I am proud of you. I am proud of you.
तू मला प्रेरणा देतोस.
You inspire me. You inspire me.
तो नेहमी सत्य बोलतो.
He always tells the truth. He always tells the truth.
ते खूप आत्मविश्वासाने बोलते.
She speaks very confidently. She speaks very confidently.
आम्ही एकमेकांना मदत करतो.
We help each other. We help each other.
ते कधीही हार मानत नाहीत.
They never give up. They never give up.
मी त्याच्याशी सहमत आहे.
I agree with him. I agree with him.
तू तिच्याशी बोललास का?
Did you talk to her? Did you talk to her?
तो माझ्यासोबत येणार आहे.
He is coming with me. He is coming with me.
ती आमच्यासोबत बसली.
She sat with us. She sat with us.
त्यांनी त्याला माफ केलं.
They forgave him. They forgave him.
मी त्यांना पुन्हा भेटेन.
I will meet them again. I will meet them again.
तू आम्हाला मदत करू शकतोस का?
Can you help us? Can you help us?
तो मला ओळखतो.
He knows me. He knows me.
ती तुला ओळखते का?
Does she know you? Does she know you?
आम्ही त्यांच्याकडून खूप काही शिकलो.
We learned a lot from them. We learned a lot from them.
त्यांनी आमचं कौतुक केलं.
They appreciated us. They appreciated us.
मी हे स्वतः केलं.
I did it myself. I did it myself.
तू स्वतःवर विश्वास ठेव.
Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself.
त्याने स्वतःच निर्णय घेतला.
He made the decision himself. He made the decision himself.
तिने स्वतःला सुधारलं.
She improved herself. She improved herself.
आम्ही स्वतःची चूक मान्य केली.
We admitted our mistake. We admitted our mistake.
त्यांनी स्वतःचा व्यवसाय सुरू केला.
They started their own business. They started their own business.
मी अजून तयार नाही.
I am not ready yet. I am not ready yet.
तू आता आनंदी दिसतोस.
You look happy now. You look happy now.
तू आज खूप व्यस्त आहे.
He is very busy today. He is very busy today.
ती खूप थकली आहे.
She is very tired. She is very tired.
आम्ही योग्य मार्गावर आहोत.
We are on the right track. We are on the right track.
ते अजून आलेले नाहीत.
They haven't arrived yet. They haven't arrived yet.
मी तुझी वाट पाहील.
I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
तू मला नक्की कळव.
Let me know for sure. Let me know for sure.
तो माझ्यावर कधीच हसत नाही.
He never laughs at me. He never laughs at me.
ती मला नेहमीच समजून घेते.
She always understands me. She always understands me.
आम्ही एकत्र शिकणार आहोत.
We are going to study together. We are going to study together.
ते आमच्यासाठी खूप महत्त्वाचे आहेत.
They are very important to us. They are very important to us.
मी रोज काहीतरी नवीन शिकतो.
I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day.
तू खूप छान प्रगती करत आहेस.
You are making great progress. You are making great progress.
तो लवकर शिकतो.
He learns quickly. He learns quickly.
ती कधीच हार मानत नाही.
She never gives up. She never gives up.
आम्ही आमचं ध्येय गाठू.
We will achieve our goal. We will achieve our goal.
ते नेहमी एकमेकांना साथ देतात.
They always support each other. They always support each other.
मी हे विसरणार नाही.
I will never forget this. I will never forget this.
तू मला नंतर भेट.
Meet me later. Meet me later.
तो तुझ्यावर विश्वास ठेवतो.
He believes in you. He believes in you.
ते मला रोज फोन करते.
She calls me every day. She calls me every day.
आम्ही तुझ्यासाठी इथे आहोत.
We are here for you. We are here for you.
त्यांनी मला योग्य सल्ला दिला.
They gave me good advice. They gave me good advice.
मी तुला पुन्हा भेटण्याची वाट पाहतोय.
I am looking forward to seeing you again. I am looking forward to seeing you again.
तू हे अपेक्षेपेक्षा चांगलं केलंस.
You did better than expected. You did better than expected.
तो आयुष्यभर हे लक्षात ठेवेल.
He will remember this for life. He will remember this for life.
आपण एकत्र नक्की यशस्वी होऊ.
We will definitely succeed together. We will definitely succeed together.